Hi everyone, today let's talk about how to get rid of bad breath for good. Okay, so occasional bad breath, having it here or there, especially after you eat bad breath crossing foods like garlic or onions. Yes, it could be annoying. But for the purpose of this video, how to get rid of bad breath for good, we're talking about chronic bad breath here, the type of bad breath that's always lingering, not just because you ate something stinky. So first, let's talk about the 4 common reasons for chronic bad breath, and then how to get rid of it. And then at the end of this video, I'll go over some quick tips, bad breath hacks if you did just eat something smelly and need it to go away fast. But first up, chronic bad breath cause number 1 is from your tongue. Somewhere around 90 of the bacteria that cause bad breath are on your tongue. If you ever looked at your tongue close up in the mirror, you've seen the tiny little papilla that cover its surface every time you eat food. Debris and waste products collect around those little dots, and after a while they start to stink. How to fix this? Start using a tongue scraper every time you brush your teeth. Tongue scrapers are more effective at cleaning your tongue than toothbrushes. This is because tongue scrapers have a firm plastic or a metal loop that's flat, or sometimes has little ribbed teeth on it, which help remove bacteria from your tongue. And after using it just once, you'll be shocked what comes off. Believe me. Number 2, plaque and tartar buildup. This can be from poor oral hygiene, or maybe you just haven't been to the dentist in a while for professional cleaning, or maybe you have gum disease. If you have plaque and tartar buildup below your gums, it not only causes a chronic infection that lowers your immune system and leads to tooth loss, but in addition, gum disease can make your mouth smell. This is because even if you are perfect at brushing and flossing every single day, it's impossible to properly remove tartar bacteria from under your gums at home. So to get rid of bad breath due to gum disease, you'll need a professional cleaning at your dental office, and you'll need to keep up with your home care routine of brushing and flossing at home to prevent that tartar from getting below the gum line. Number 3, dry mouth. Saliva is a natural barrier against bad breath, so without saliva you get both dry mouth and bad breath. The best solution is usually drinking water, but sometimes drinking water won't help if you have a systemic condition, or maybe it's from the medications you are taking. If dry mouth is something that you're struggling with, definitely talk with your doctor or dentist. Also be sure to check your mouthwash labels. If it has alcohol in it, opt for alcohol-free mouthwash, because alcohol will only dry out your mouth more. I do have a video all about dry mouth causes and treatment, which I will of course link in the bottom right below if you'd like to learn more. And lastly, number 4, systemic reasons. Apart from your mouth, your nasal sinuses, back of your throat, GI tract and airway all have a lot to do with bad breath. Maybe you notice during allergy season you're always breathing out of your mouth instead of your nose. Mouth breathing leads to dry mouth, and dry mouth, like we said, leads to bad breath. Or maybe you have sinus issues. Sometimes mucus or bacteria hang out in the back of your throat because post-nasal drip and drainage, and that stuff is often super difficult to clean out, so it causes bad breath from the back of your throat, where you maybe even have little pieces of food debris stuck in the back of your throat called tonsil stones. Sometimes gargling with warm salt water will help clean them out, but not always. I do also have a video all about tonsil stones, which I will link in the bottom right below as well. If you think tonsil stones are the cause of your bad breath and you want to learn more, be sure to check it out. And lastly, maybe you're having GI issues. If you have anything going on in your gut, your stomach, it will eventually cause that odor to make its way up to your mouth, thus causing bad breath. So in the case that your dentist rules out any dental conditions causing your bad breath, then it's most likely due to a systemic condition. Everything we just talked about: allergies, sinuses, GI issues, etc. So best advice is to always check with your dentist first, rule out any of those dental issues, and then if you still don't have answers, scheduling an appointment at your doctor's office is recommended, and then your doctor will most likely refer you to an ENT or a gastro specialist to figure out what's going on, and they will give you individualized suggestions on how to deal with your situation. And before we go, let's go over some quick bad breath tips. Say you just ate something stinky and You need a quick temporary fix fast. What you gotta do, you gotta drink more water. Drinking water helps swish away food debris. It seems so simple, but sometimes we don't think of it. Water helps keep your mouth moist because, as we know, dry mouth can give you bad breath, so more water equals less bad breath. Eat your yogurt. There's plenty of research showing how yogurt and dental probiotics are super helpful in stabilizing bad breath causing bacteria in your mouth. I do have a video all about dental probiotics if you're interested. Not totally sure if this is considered a quick fix, but it's definitely considered a bad breath hack, so I'll link that probiotic video of mine in the bottom bar below. Drink green tea. Antimicrobials and green tea work like a deodorant. It's a natural disinfectant that can minimize the sulfur compounds in your mouth that cause bad breath. Of course, I have a green tea video as well, which I will link below. Lots of videos to link. And lastly, sugar-free mints gum or ADA approved breath sprays. And if any of these contain xylitol, that's even better to help prevent bacteria from building up in your mouth, which causes bad breath. Again, these won't get rid of the problem for good, but they do help as a quick temporary fix after eating something smelly to get rid of bad breath for good. Like we said, you need to find out the cause and fix the cause. The 4 things we talked about earlier, whether it's due to dental issues related to your tongue plaque and tartar buildup, gum disease, or a non-dental systemic issue. I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. Thank you.